Welcome back to Dom's Daydream, where dreamers become doers. I haven't really had the chance to go to a thrift store, mainly because of 1, COVID, 2, I wanted to wait a little bit just because selection is a little scarce. So I wanted to wait until people went in and donated. I went to our thrift store, which is now my favorite thrift store to go to, where it's like this massive selection of like clothes and shoes, furniture, and like little bric-a-bracs. And this is what I got. So the first 2 items that I got was this very cute tile, and that was $2.49, and this very cute belt has all this really nice gorgeous embossed detail, and this was only $2.99. I love that it says men, but I can't really imagine a man wearing that, but you never know. Now to get to the cleaning portion, I'm going to use the plant-powered Ecos. I love it because it's an all-purpose cleaner and it's eco-friendly. And guess what, folks? It's majority owned by women. It's kosher, but I don't think you're gonna eat this. Probably could. It has safer choice. This whole bottle is 100% recyclable, and it's not tested on animals, which, why are you putting cleaning products on animals? That's messed up. Putting on my gloves, even though I've already touched the objects. I just don't ever like cleaning products on my hands, even though this is all natural. I don't know why, something about putting on gloves just makes me feel like I'm about to go into someone's anal cavity. Not like I've ever done that, especially looks like I could though. Yeah, this video is definitely not for children. So you are going to need a glue gun, glue sticks, a belt or a leather strap. It could be a purse strap, a cute little tile, something to lay your glue gun on. I'm infamous for letting it just drip all over the table. Oh yeah, I don't need gloves anymore. You don't need gloves. I just have my gloves on from when I was cleaning. I was scrolling Urban Outfitters. I love Urban Outfitters. And they had the cutest little wall hang with a tile and a little, I don't remember if it was string or rope, but I really like the idea of it being a leather strap to give it some extra oomph. As you can see, I kind of already pre-measured how far I want the strap to go, and then I'm just gonna cut off a little extra to glue it on the back. So I'm gonna flip her over. I'm gonna give her this much allowance. And the cool thing about using a belt is that if you do mess up for any reason, you still have belt left over. I don't think my scissors are strong enough. Give me a second. Got some heavy duty scissors, you know, the kind that can cut your fingers off, so be safe. Make sure that it is even. There we go. Nice. So right around those two tail marks. This is gonna look so fucking cute. Oh yeah. Oh, it's already begun. Because I already forgot. Because I told you that I am infamous for doing that. See, I already got strings on my table. Tisk, tisk, tisk. Honestly, I want to reinforce this with some E6000. Apparently, I do not have E6000, or Jake is hiding it from me, but I did find a little thing of super glue, which, you know what, nowadays you can pretty much get that from Dollar Tree. From here down, we're gonna put some glue. So I'm doubling it up with hot glue gun and with super glue just because I want it to stick, but I also want it to dry quicker. Make sure not to get that on your fingers. Once you start putting on the hot glue, you gotta be quick. Okay. Look for those points and place and hold. Get those tips down. And there we go, folks. Isn't she cute? You can hang her on your wall. Thanks so much for watching, friends. I hope you like my thrift flips, and remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and if you try any of these projects, send them to me and find me on Instagram. I would love to see them. All right, until next week.